Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to fix if the mouse cursor is moving by its own. You are not moving your mouse cursor by it is moving automatically on your PC. So if you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11, so you can try this easy and simple method to fix this issue. So let's get started. So when you are facing this type of problem, so first you need to restart your PC, okay, and then you need to turn off the internet connection of your PC. If you are using Wi-Fi or internet cable, just you need to simply disable the internet connection, okay. After disabling the internet connection, hopefully this will fix your issue. Still, in case you are facing same type of problem, now you can try the next method. Now you need to restart your File Explorer. Open the Task Manager on your PC, hold Control key button, Shift key button, and then press Escape from your keyboard, and then find out the Windows Explorer, okay. Right click on your Windows Explorer and then click on Restart, okay. It will restart the Windows Explorer, and then let's see it will fix your problem or not. Still, in case you are facing same type of problem, now you can try the next method. If you are using the wireless mouse on your PC, now you need to check your wireless mouse cell battery. If the cell battery is weak, or in case if your mouse is damaged, so at that time you can also get this type of problem. So check your battery and check the physical damage of your mouse, okay, and then you can try the next method. If you are connected the external mouse to your Windows laptop, now you need to disable the Windows touchpad, okay. To disable this, open the Windows settings, go to Bluetooth and devices, and in the right panel scroll down and find out touchpad. From here you can easily able to disable the touchpad, okay. After disabling, hopefully this will also helps you to fix your issue. Still, in case you are facing same type of problem, now you can try the next method. Now you need to open the device manager on your PC, and in the device manager you need to update or uninstall the mouse driver, okay. After opening the device manager, extend the mouse and other pointing devices and right click on your driver, go to update driver. Here you can get two options, online and offline. So just need to try this both method one by one. So I'm trying offline method. Just select your mouse driver and then click on next, and it will install the mouse driver. After installing, it will ask you to update your to restart your PC. Just restart it once, okay. After restarting, it will fix your problem. Still, in case you are facing same type of problem, now what you need to do, you need to uninstall your mouse driver. Right click on your mouse driver. Here you can get the option uninstall device. Just simply select that option and then close the settings, device manager, and restart your PC one more time. After restarting, it will automatically install your mouse driver on your PC, okay. So still, in case you are facing same type of problem, now last and final method is this, guys. Now you need to update your PC. To update the PC, once again you need to open the Windows settings, go to Windows Update. From here you can easily able to update the PC. So one more basic method you need to remember guys. If you are using any third-party app to control your mouse or to customize your mouse, that app can also cause this issue. Just you need to uninstall third-party app using on your PC, okay. After installing, hopefully this will also helps you to fix your issue. So these are the easy and simple solution to fix that problem. Hopefully any of will work with you. If you like our video, please guys don't back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.